Vessel 550-5PS. This is a set I bought off Amazon because I wanted something that was a little bit more visible as opposed to these. Not the same screwdriver. So the story with these green ones is you can recycle them. If for some reason you're finished with the tool, you could remove the shank and separate it from the handle, and they are both recyclable. See, this one doesn't have the exit ports. Why you would recycle this right away, who knows, but it is the exact same material, just in green. So the set available on Amazon, or sets, it's this one. Now another difference is also the handle end. These are not the ones that you use to strike with. Hey, Dougie. But they are marked to let you know what it is. GIS. It literally is the same tool, but just different colors and markings. This one came with some slotted, I believe that's a number 1 Phillips, a short number 2 Phillips, and a long number 2 Phillips. Then went along about the smaller set. It doesn't say where it's made, but the other sets are marked that it's made in Thailand. Yeah, there's no marking. It says Vezel Japan, but they will have to be. And these are also marked at the bottom. And the set for this one is, let's see, 566 PS. This one sort of has like a, let's say like a pocket screwdrivers, maybe pocket pry bar. But these are way smaller than these. And yes, they do make the other set, which is a 4-piece set. This one right here, GIS drive, but made in Thailand. And this one, I believe on Amazon, was $19.99. I'm sorry, I don't remember the prices for the other ones, but they did have to be imported from Japan. And maybe they got here in about 2 weeks. But it was, at the time, it was free shipping. So, hey, if green's your thing, and want to see the sizes, visible sizes on them, I will go with the green. It's the same tool, but just green and with added marks on them. Hopefully that helps out.